Drinking carrot juice regularly can have several positive effects on your body due to its rich nutrient content. Carrot juice is packed with vitamins, particularly vitamin A, which supports eye health, immune function, and skin health. It also contains antioxidants like beta-carotene, which can help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of certain chronic diseases. Here's a breakdown of some potential effects of daily carrot juice consumption. Improved vision. Carrot juice is high in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for good vision, especially in low-light conditions. Regular consumption may help maintain healthy eyesight. Enhanced immunity. The vitamins and antioxidants in carrot juice can strengthen your immune system, helping your body fight off infections and illnesses. Skin health. The antioxidants in carrot juice can contribute to healthier skin by combating free radicals that can damage skin cells, potentially improving skin appearance and reducing signs of aging. Heart health. Some studies suggest that diets rich in antioxidants like those found in carrot juice may help reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering cholesterol levels and improving overall heart health. Digestive health. Carrot juice contains dietary fiber that aids in digestion. Regular consumption might promote a healthy digestive system and prevent constipation. Cancer prevention. Carrots contain various antioxidants and phytochemicals that have been studied for their potential role in reducing the risk of certain cancers. Compounds like beta-carotene may help protect cells from damage that can lead to cancer development. Support for liver health. The antioxidants in carrot juice, particularly beta-carotene, may assist in cleansing and detoxifying the liver. This can help improve the liver's functioning and support overall liver health. Potential anti-inflammatory effects. Carrot juice contains nutrients with anti-inflammatory properties, which may help in reducing inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to various diseases, so reducing it can have overall health benefits. Aids in weight management. Carrot juice is low in calories and rich in fiber, making it a good choice for those looking to manage their weight. The fiber content helps in promoting a feeling of fullness, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. Healthy pregnancy. The nutrients in carrot juice, especially folate, are beneficial for pregnant women. Folate is crucial for the development of the fetus and can help prevent certain birth defects. Improved oral health. The minerals in carrot juice, such as calcium and vitamin K, are beneficial for teeth and bones. Additionally, chewing carrots stimulates the production of saliva, which helps in maintaining oral hygiene. Hydration and nutrient intake. Carrot juice is a good source of hydration and provides essential vitamins and minerals like potassium, which helps maintain fluid balance in the body. It's a refreshing way to supplement your daily nutrient intake.